Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sarah. This is Sarah Saves 07. Today I have my specialty binder and I'm hopping in to my seasonal slash travel binder slash my gardening binder. It's kind of a hodgepodge, a mismatch, I think. Mishmash. What the heck is the word for it, guys? Mishmash? Hodgepodge of stuff, but a lot of it is either travel or gardening. But in my tinies, it comes out as my seasonal binder. So I kind of switch it up. And gardening and travel for me is kind of seasonal. I don't do it all year round. So let's hop into it. I always play with $100, but as you guys know, I have a tinies binder that sometimes contributes to these fun binders. And I finished these tinies from the Hopeful Budgeter and Budgeting with Lysandra, and I saved an extra $41 for this binder. So that means I have $141 to play with today. And you can go ahead and be jealous because that is the best part of how I play my tinies, because it doesn't happen often, but when it does happen, it's like the best part about my tinies binder. You know, I don't make a ton of progress in my tinies binder every week, but every, so often I get this nice chunk of money towards these binders. So, pretty excited about it. Real quick, I forgot to do my giveaways. Here you go. Here's mental health giveaway, and here's the Peeps giveaway. Congratulations, guys. All right, let's start from the beginning of this binder. The first challenge I have in here, I just added, and it is my new travel cards. And so I have, I didn't sticker all of them, guys. Well, I'll pull out the ones I stickered. I took the ones I messed up on. So these are my travel cards, and they have different destinations and things on them. So this is what they look like stickered. The rest of them aren't stickered. So I need to do that. So let's just pick one, and let's get my scratcher tool out and zoom in here. It says scratch it. Ooh, and of course I got the highest number I have on here, which is a 9. But that's good because I have an extra $41 today. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And let's do one more just because I wanna. $9 plus 8. Oh God. Okay. Well, maybe I should have mixed them up. Okay. So I should actually have $17 in here total. 10, 15, 16, 17. All right, so that's what we're going to start my travel cards with. Ooh, it's $17. Awesome. The regular cards come with 9 cards, and it saves you $45. But I have thrown extra cards in for literally everyone that has ordered, or every pack that I have made already. I've put a couple extra cards in. So anyway, you're welcome. The next one I have in here is from Letty at Party Planner Papery, and it is a vacay fund, which I just got stuck. Okay, my vacay fund. I finished one of them last time. I must have. Why do I have $7 in here? What the heck? Oh, $8. Okay, right here. Oh, okay. I thought I was going crazy. All right, let's scratch one on here for my $75 vacay fund. And there's a $10 hat, a sun hat. I love me a good sun hat because sometimes you need to protect your skin. $10, $15, $16, $17, $18 so far in my $75 challenge. I'm not going to totally put them away yet. Let's just keep moving. The next one I have in here, since it is a seasonal binder, is some of my Easter minis I have here. So I have one Easter mini. Well, I scratched one egg on each Easter mini. One saves 25, 20, 30, and 35. So let's try to scratch one on each again. So there's a 5, Oh, I think I might need to zoom out a little bit. There, 5. A 2 is 7. Ooh, another 5. So we're at 12 and one more. Oh my God, another 5. Okay, 17. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, that was unexpected, but oh well, it's okay. Saving money. Let's do 10, 15, 16, 17. And let's trade my 2 10s for a 20. And my 2 5s for a 10. So now I have $32 in here. So I could definitely pull out one of them, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna put them all back in here just like this. Just like this. The next one is from my friend M at Plan to Save Designs. And these are her minis. And I just thought they were cute. And I screwed them up. But these are some of them. Not all of them, some of them. So let's do one up here. Oh my God, another 5. And a 2. 5 and 2 is 7. All right, 5, 6, and 7. No, let's just pull. So 7, and let's cross off a 3 here. So that's 10. Is it raining? Oh God, this weather is bipolar. 10, and let's do a D4 roll and save. Can somebody tell me where I can find a D3? Somebody told me one time, somebody sells them on their shop on here, and I would rather support this community, you know, than Amazon or something. That's a 3. So $13 in here for M. That one's going to save me a lot of money. Let's see what we have in total. So far in total for M, oh, I think I can condense here. We have, wow, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22. Okay, well, we're going to condense to 22. There, 22. Okay, next one is my floral binder. Okay, we're gonna skip our floral binder because I seem to have misplaced it. I honestly don't actually know how that happened unless my kids took it and ran off with it, because that doesn't happen. I don't understand where it is. That's not logical. So we're gonna skip it. Well, I don't know how that happened. And we are moving on to book the trip, take the picture, live the life you've been given. And this saves $200. And I just thought it was really nice for like maybe a girls trip or something. So there's 13. And let's just stop there. 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's add that in here and see where we're at. I'm so confused by where that book is. That just doesn't even make sense. All right, so far with Book the Trip, we have 20, 40, 50, 55, $55 in here. Awesome. 55. Pretending to garden. Guys, my gardening stuff looks so good so far though. So I'm like not even gonna give myself a dig here because I'm doing good. All right, we stopped right here. I made this one. This is on my Ko-fi shop and on my Etsy, I believe. Maybe it's just on, I don't know. It's on all of my things, I think. And we're gonna roll a D6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a 2. 1 and 2. Next. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 2. 1 and 2. Oops. You don't roll that. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's a 1. All right, well, that's $5, but I think we should go one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know what? We need a different color to cross off 6. It says transplant outdoors, save $4. So I'm going to put one back and grab a 5. And I am so close to be able to transplant outdoors with some of my stuff, but it's just too cold still. Like some of my plants honestly could be transplanted outdoors. It's just too cold. All right, so that was a save 4. So we are saving $9 in here at this point. Maybe we'll get to come back. I don't know. I doubt it. I doubt it. We all say that. Maybe we'll get to come back. I wish. I wish. So we have 10, 15, 20, $4 in Pretending to Garden from Sarah Saves All 7. All right, next one is Spring Garden and Friends. And this one is super cute. It's from Allie Bear Budgets. And we got pretty far on this one last time, actually. We got the whole way up to here. So let's roll. That is a 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 1. Oh, I didn't cross it off. I didn't cross it off. 1, 2, 3. That's $2. 1 and 2. 2. 1, 2. Oh, another 4. Oh boy. Okay. Well, we might have to stop there. 1 back and take a 5. Ah! Let's see. Where are we at? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're actually at $10. Oh, and that's my last 10. Oh no. Oh, I just wish I could do so much in these, and I have an extra $40. All right, so far we have $27 in Spring Garden and Friends from Allie Bear Budgets. 27. Making progress. Dude, my stuff does look awesome. Maybe if I remember to put a picture of them in here, I'll put a picture of my seedlings that are growing. I had to re-up-pot all of them this weekend. It took me forever. All right, next is Grow Your Garden from Living Simple Studio. Can you see that? There we go. There's a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's $3. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, I have to cross it off, Sarah. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's a 4. So we're at 7. Let's go one more time. A 1. 1. So that's $8 in this one today. 5, 6, 7, 8. Grow Your Garden now has 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22. So we're going to do the same thing we did earlier and put all this back and grab, oh, I don't have a 20. 22. Dagnabbit. 22. And the last one I have in here is Lisa Grateful Me, her roll and save. And let's roll this D6. A 5. And let's go again. Oh, a 6. Man, we're getting all the spice today. So 11. 10 and 1 is 11. Awesome. Let's see what we have in here now. We have 10, $22. $22 in Lisa Grateful Me roll and save for the garden. Oh, and then once I finish some, I will put it in here for my $540 goal to save up. Oh, guys, I have this in here. I forgot I printed this. I'm going to put that in my collabs. I'm not going to do that one today, but okay. We actually do have a little bit of money left. We have $20 couple dollars. So let's go and do, let's do some in here. So I didn't put these away for a reason. So let's do my vacay fund. Ooh, that was a $12 beach blanket or beach towel. Wow, that is a nice towel. 5, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now in our $75 vacay fund, we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 28, 29, $30. All right. Awesome. Thought I just heard someone. Okay, let's do another maybe scratch or two on these. Let's do one of the smaller ones. Oh my God. That has to be a joke. We got a 5. Of course we did. Okay, we're just going to do one. just how it works. $20, $35, $36, $37. That one is mine. Let's put that one back. Okay, and next is M's at Plan to Save. I can't believe I can't find that floral binder. My kids must have taken it. It just doesn't make any sense otherwise. All right, let's scratch one of these because we only have 2 scratchers here. There's a 3, and we're gonna do this one. And a 2 is 5, okay. All right, so 5, 10, 14. All right, so 5, oh God. Oh, just 5, okay, 5. Panicked, I panicked. So far we have $27 saved in here, and we have 1 of them finished. So next time we won't have to scratch 1 on each of them. We'll only have 3 to do. See, a little bit of progress. We made a little progress. Okay. And how much do we have? Close to 10, close to 10, close to $10. You know, nothing on these cards goes over 10, but, oh, I don't have them all stickered. That's why I didn't do that. Let's scratch another one of these. There's a 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, a 1. Thank goodness. I knew I had 1s in here. I was like, what is happening? Why are they all 5s? Sheesh. Let's just put this back in here. We don't need to count it again, right? We don't need to count it again. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 left. Let's go to this one for M and just cross off $7. 3, 6, 7. And now we'll have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 more dollars until we finish this card for M. And then we'll have a little bit more money to play with for the games. There. Okay, guys, we did it. We spent $141 that quickly, just so fast. And I appreciate you being here and watching this video. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I am like 190 hours, as I'm recording this on Wednesday, 190 hours away from hitting my monetization goal, and then I'll be able to apply for monetization, which I think would be so amazing. You know, all the hard work you put into your channel and your videos and the things you create, I just think it would be so nice. So I'd appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Bye.